Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Ustad Ibrahim. Inshallah, today we are going to learn about the Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam.
The first step in Hajj is entering in the state of Ihram. This is a special state of purity and intention. Men wear 2 white seamless sheets and women wear simple, modest clothing. After entering into Ihram, we perform Tawaf. This is walking around the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. Next, we perform Sa'i, which is walking 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa. This commemorates Hajar in search of water for her son Ismail. The next step is Rami, where we throw pebbles at the 3 pillars. This symbolizes the rejection of evil and temptation.
Thank you for joining us. I hope you learned a lot.
And to all Muslims around the world, we wish you a happy and blessed Eid al-Adha, Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak. Mubarak. كل وأنتم بخير.
Eid Mubarak, كل عام وأنتم بخير.